Welcome to 17th session of Management Accounting, 5th semester BBA, Bangalore North University. In this session, we are going to solve some simple problems on profitability ratios. In the previous class, we have discussed meaning, types and their significance of profitability ratios. The main objective of this chapter is to familiarize the students with the ratio analysis as a tool for financial analysis. Then the outcome of this session is that the students will be able to compute the various ratios that test the profitability of a business. The first problem. Gross profit is 20% on sale. Cost of goods sold 3 lakh. Find out sales. Here, gross profit is given 20% on sales, but the sales amount is not given. Cost of goods sold is given. We need to calculate the sales. So, first we have to convert this percentage on sales is there. We have to convert into cost of goods sold. That is, gross profit is 20% on sales means 25% on cost of goods sold. How this 25% has come means 20 divided by 80 into 100. That is 25% will come. Next, gross profit is equal to cost of goods sold into 25%. So cost of goods sold, that is given in the problem 3 lakh into 25%, 75,000 will come. Then sales is equal to cost of goods sold plus gross profit. Cost of goods sold is 3 lakh, gross profit we have calculated 75,000. So sales is rupees 3 lakh 75,000. Second problem. Gross profit of a firm is 25%. Gross profit is 1 lakh. Calculate sales. Here gross profit 25% is given. Gross profit amount is also given. So for 25% gross profit 1 lakh means for 100% sales how much? If we cross multiply, we are getting sales rupees 4 lakh. Next, third problem. Rate of gross profit on cost 33.33% and total sales rupees 6 lakh. Calculate cost of goods sold. So here gross profit on cost is given 33.33%, but cost of goods sold is not given, sales is given. First we need to convert this gross profit percentage on cost into sales. So 33.33% on cost is also called as 25% on cost of goods sold. How we got this 25% means 33.33 divided by 133.33 into 100, 25%. So gross profit is equal to sales into 25%. Sales is 6 lakhs into 25%. Gross profit is 1 lakh 50,000. Then cost of goods sold is equal to sales minus gross profit. Sales is 6 lakhs and gross profit is 1 lakh 50,000. Cost of goods sold is rupees 4 lakh 50,000. Next, fourth problem. Gross profit ratio 20% on sales. Total gross profit 1 lakh. Cash sales is given. Average debtors is also given. Calculate debtor turnover ratio. So, gross profit 20%. Gross profit amount is also given. For 20% gross profit 1 lakh means for 100% sales how much? Sales is rupees 5 lakh. Then, we have to calculate the credit sales. We have calculated total sales and the cash sales is given in the problem 1 lakh 20,000. The difference figure is called as credit sales. Then debtor turnover ratio. The formula is credit sales divided by average debtors. Credit sales we have calculated 3,80,000. Average debtors that is given in the problem 95,000. So debtor turnover ratio is 4 times. The next problem is gross profit of a firm is rupees 3,20,000, operating expenses 1 lakh, tax 20,000 and owner's fund is also given 5 lakh. Calculate return on owner's fund. So this is the format to calculate earnings after tax. First we have to take gross profit 3,20,000. From this we need to deduct operating expenses 1 lakh. We will get EBIT that is 2,20,000 and interest amount is not given here. So less interest is nil. Then it is called earnings before tax. From this we have to deduct tax. We are getting earnings after tax. Okay, return on owner's fund. The formula is earnings after tax divided by shareholder fund. So earnings after tax we have calculated 2 lakhs and shareholder fund it is given in the problem 5 lakh. Return on shareholder fund is 0.4:1. Then multiple choice questions. The first one is dash is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold. Options available are gross profit, net profit, operating profit, none of the above. So the correct answer is gross profit. Next, second one, sales is equal to cost of goods sold plus dash. Options are gross profit, net profit, operating profit, none of non-operating profit. The correct answer is gross profit. Next, third one is cost of goods sold is equal to dash minus gross profit. Options are sales, sales return, purchases, purchases return. The correct answer is sales. Next, fourth one. Dash is equal to total sales minus cash sales. The options are cash sales, credit sales, cash purchases, credit purchases. The correct answer is credit sales. Next question is return on shareholder fund is equal to dash divided by shareholder fund. The options are earnings before interest and tax, earning before tax, earnings after tax and none of the above. The correct answer is earnings after tax. These are the books for your reference. Thank you.